Macini ino ya muigana wa ciringi milioni 7 heanitwo ni kambuni ya AstraZeneca. Murugamiriri munene wa thibitari wa KU Ahmed Dagane akiuga ni guteithiriria hari kunyihia ihinda riria arwaru a kansa mathurimagwo hari hamwe na kuhurwo mbica cia urigiti. Dagane augite thibitari ukoretwo kiamukira arwaru a kansa gatagati ka 40 na 50 kiumia, akiuga macini ino gukorwo ari uguni munene hari gutangikira arwaru aya kuona ino hoti wa gutungatira arwaru 20 o muthenya.
About 50 interventional radiology patients being attended to every single week. The introduction of this new machine is a significant milestone for the hospital, bearing in mind the number of patients continues to rise.
Thibitari ino igite kigina kiiganu keheri-ini gia kugura macini cia ikiro cia iguru cia kuheana motungata ma urigitani. Dagane akiuga muoroto wao ni kuhukia thabari cia a Kenya nja wa bururi guthie gwetha motungata maya.
We are also delighted to note that the other urology patients, this machine will aid in early diagnosis of cancer cases. Ultimately, this will improve turnaround time in diagnosis and treatment of our patients, hence better outcomes.
Dagitari John Omitori ni mutaramu wa murimu wa higo thibitari-ini uyu augite macini ino ni kugacirithia urigiti wa kansa na njira nene, makiria kansa ya muthiori iria ikoretwo igithumbura arume na njira nene bururi-ini, kuona iri na ikiro cia mwanya cia guthurima murimu ucio.
2D imaging of the prostate. The previous machines were only giving us one dimension. So with 2 dimensions of imaging for the prostate, it is easier for you to accurately biopsy a target without missing it. So this machine will go a long way in efficient diagnosis and improving our services here.
Mitugite ni macini kunyihia raini cia arwaru magietha urigiti, kuona iri na uhoti wa kurigita arwaru ingi o muthenya ukiringithania na macini iria ikoretwo kuo.
Extra machine will enable us to serve more patients per day without having them to wait in the booking for this service.
Kuma thibitari-ini wa KU ritwa riakwa ni Mathio Ndongo.